Welcome to the Topic Series. My name is Roy Paulson. Today we're talking about the Pyramex safety helmet and the accessories that Paulson has built to fit this particular helmet. Safety helmets have become more and more popular. They're more compact, better side impact, and they have a much improved chin strap system to hold it on your head. As these became popular, it was dramatically apparent that there was not a lot of accessories for these new style helmets. So we have built a whole product line to fit the Pyramex safety helmet, and I'm going to demonstrate that to you. We'll start off with our arc flash face shields. So we have a 12 calorie and a 20 calorie arc flash face shield here, both designed to fit on a weight compensating bracket for the Pyramex helmet. Weight compensating bracket positions the face shield over the center line of the helmet so that it's balanced on your head when the shield is in the stowed position. In the deployed position, it comes down to a standard position as you're used to for a face shield, but as it's flipping up, it comes up and back at the same time, thereby it's somewhat in the same plane as the front of your helmet. This combination of being in the same plane, balanced on your head, and completely out of your field of view is almost a sensation of that you don't even have a face shield mounted to your helmet when it's in the stowed position. When it's in the deployed position, as you're wearing it, this is designed so that you have a full field of view. Again, it's like you don't have a face shield on. We're looking towards compliance. And the more that we can do to make the products to be ergonomically comfortable, easy to wear, and convenient, the better the compliance is in the field. So here these are Toric face shields. Toric shields have a curve top to bottom and another curve right to left. This has a ventilation system built into it to direct fresh air to wash up the inside of the face shield, and a built-in chin protector so that you don't have a separate piece of the chin protector, so that you've got the protection from arc flash coming up from low. Most arc flash does come from below the center point. These attachments here allow you to snap the unit directly into the slots, accessory slots of the helmet, but to remove it is very easy. You just push the press to release feature and it just pushes up. No more struggling with the removing the attachment from the helmet. And the pivot assembly here allows you to have it set loosely for a welder's nod to drop the shield, or set it tighter so that you would pull it down by hand and raise it by hand. We have accessory flashlights. So the flashlight goes onto this articulated light mount, and that snaps onto the side in this manner. You can adjust the flashlight any position you want it to go into, and just simply put it to the position and let go. It's a very natural thing to do, and the flashlight will stay in place. To remove it, you just remove it by pulling it from the inside and it comes right off. Flashlights have been tested and arc tested, so there's no issues about the flashlights for the arc rating. So this is a 12 calorie, 20 calorie Toric arc flash face shields to fit the Pyramex helmet. We're talking about the Pyramex safety helmet and the industrial Toric face shields that we have designed to fit this particular helmet. So we're showing here a polycarbonate clear face shield, and it's mounted to a weight compensating bracket. You'll notice that we do not have the vent system on the industrial face shields like what we do have on the arc flash face shields. These industrial shields have accessories, or options we should say, so that you can order it as a polycarbonate without any coatings, or polycarbonate with a permanent anti-fog coating on the interior and a hard coating for scratch resistance on the exterior. We also have an option of having the flashlight mounts here on the face shield. Some people would love to have them, others that's of no use to them whatsoever. So we make it an option. So what you should do is to choose the face shield that's appropriate for your application. Clear polycarbonate shield is great for general purpose applications, but you might have chemical splash or high heat or very bright conditions or radiant heat. So we make a variety of shields, and we are coming out with more models in the Toric face shield line for industrial use that will include gold-coated shields, shade 9, so on and so forth. But in what I'm showing you here today, this is a Triton face shield. So Triton is a material that's utilized for chemical splash. It's very chemical resistant as a material. The toric shape naturally lends that the shield comes more underneath your chin, and we have this extended area here which will give you further protection. This eliminates having to have a separate chin protector that's attached to the shield. So Triton would be a very good choice for chemical splash applications. This is a shade 5 face shield, the most common face shield that's used for gas cutting and welding, infrared absorption, ultraviolet light absorption. This particular one has coatings on it, so it's hard coated on the front and anti-fog on the interior. And we have it in other shade colors also. This is an unusual product. This is a transparent nylon shield. This transparent nylon is very heat resistant, higher heat resistance actually than polycarbonate, very clear. It has incredible chemical resistance. So it has a great combination of features for the person that really needs it. And then we've built these specifically for the paper and pulp industry to protect against the hot smelt and the high chemical corrosion resistance that's necessary to work within that environment. And here is an example of a cobalt colored face shield. It's a cobalt blue, has all the characteristics of shade 5, so for UV absorption and infrared absorption, and it has a special color additive to it in this blue color so that you can see the surface of the metal, of molten metal, and see any slag or impurities that are there, and also be able to better define molten glass as you're looking across that. So this is a cobalt blue face shield. All these shields can be ordered with the flashlight mounts, and then separately we sell the flashlight and the articulated light mount that allows you to place the light directly on your work in any position. This is the Pyramex bracket that we're utilizing. It's a weight compensating bracket in the sense of that as the shield comes up, it also comes back and centers over the top of the helmet. So this is model WCB-PX. That identifies it as specifically made to fit the Pyramex safety helmet. The features and benefits of this bracket are that, first of all, we have a face shield that fits to the interior. Shield mounts completely to the inside of the bracket and utilizes the lever lock system to hold it in place, and it's all attached without tools. The helmet adapter is also attached to the accessory slots of the Pyramex safety helmet without tools. You would just slide them down into place and they will snap in. It has a press to release feature, which you just press on this lever on the inside and it releases it, and then you're able to take the bracket out of the helmet. You could do that an unlimited number of times. It's very, very easy to do. And we have an adjustable pivot here. The adjustable pivot allows you to loosen the pivot and do a welder's nod to get the face shield to drop down, or you can tighten this and have it so that you pull the shield down by hand. In all cases, there's a detenting position at the top position, in the stowed position, and you will feel it and hear it click into the detent when it goes up to the top. This is very convenient because you might be busy. Do I have it up all the way or not? Click, it's up inside. So again, this is the WCB PX. It's the weight compensating bracket specifically for the Pyramex safety helmet.